Whether you drive a hatchback, an SUV, or a pickup truck, you can guarantee that there's an invention out there that will improve the functionality and versatility of your vehicle. Next-generation car inventions that are worthy of your time. Let's start with a look at the Valeo XtraVue, the world's first system that allows a driver to see through other vehicles, or through the trailer or caravan they're towing. Using cameras and software developed by Valeo, the system combines the data recorded by the vehicle and trailer cameras into a single, consistent image. It's as if your car has a new superpower. The image is displayed on a screen in front of the driver, allowing them to see what is happening in front of other vehicles. The system makes overtaking on narrow or winding roads much safer. Just remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Voyage XR is another pioneering system from Valeo that lets you bring a virtual friend or relative along for the ride. Now you no longer need to endure a long, tedious drive by yourself. You can invite someone like your mom along to keep you company. She'll be able to see everything you see, thanks to the wonders of virtual reality. A range of cameras and sensors combined with body tracking software and a telematics control unit create a convincing and enjoyable experience for both driver and passenger, complete with a fully fledged avatar and 360-degree views. You can have real conversations and even interact by sharing photographs that show up on the driver's screen. Just imagine being able to bring the family together, even if they live hundreds or thousands of miles apart. The Voyage XR is an excellent example of how modern technology can really enhance the human experience, making immersive connections on the move. Up next is the T-Step, a retractable step that provides a leg up for vehicle owners everywhere. The robust, easy-to-use T-Step is made from heavy-duty materials and allows owners to conveniently access the bed of their truck. It can support up to 100 kilograms of weight, and it tucks away neatly and securely when not in use. This next piece of kit, called the Solid Shield, is something that all car owners should have stored in their trunks, especially if you like to go off-roading or regularly drive through sand, snow, or mud. It comes in a compact case and consists of a belt, a buckle, and the shield itself. The Solid Shield unfolds and is placed on top of a wheel that has become stuck, like this one. Then the belt, made from the same highly durable material as seat belts, is used to wrap around the tire and secure the Solid Shield in place. The thick metal buckle hooks on like so, and by pulling the belt through, the shield is tightened. Then it's just a case of stepping on the accelerator and free at last. The shield is easy to operate and can be placed or removed in a matter of seconds, which has to be preferable to being stuck in the desert for hours. If you're someone who likes to take additional vehicles on adventures with you, you'll definitely appreciate these next designs. This is the Freightliner Sport Chassis Tough Lift, a hydraulic UTV deck with a 4,000-pound lift capacity. It's perfect for transporting up to 3 snowmobiles, 2 jet skis, a UTV, or 2 quads. The system takes less than a minute to go from the bed of the truck down to ground level, allowing you to roll onwards and upwards in no time. Here's another version of the Tough Lift, adapted for a pickup truck. Even with a full load, the hydraulic mechanism lifts the UTV up smoothly and gracefully, transporting it from the ground onto the back of the pickup and keeping it secure, all in less than 60 seconds. Continuing on with vehicles that transport other vehicles, check out the Little Hercules from Detroit Wrecker Sales. This ingenious system allows workers to transform their personal truck into a wrecker, also known as a tow truck or recovery vehicle, anytime they choose. It therefore eliminates the need for a dedicated tow truck, saving workers valuable time and money. After attaching the system to their truck and configuring it, the driver simply maneuvers into position and the automated mechanism locks into place. Little Hercules is made using incredibly strong and durable construction materials and boasts a 5,000-pound lift capacity, a 10,000-pound towing capacity, and a 70-inch reach. It can be used in all weather thanks to the company's unique two-piece hexagonal nut and bolt design pin system, as well as their signature oil-infused bronze bushings that claim to be the strongest on the market. Resistant to corrosion, they'll never freeze up, meaning they'll last longer and require less maintenance, so you can spend more time on the road making money instead of in the shop, paying for repairs. Custom heavy-duty leaf springs and helper springs also add to the longevity of Little Hercules, and there are a variety of add-ons, which means it can tow a range of different vehicles in practically any scenario. If someone needs a winch, no problem. The system can even be used as a car jack or to help tow a caravan or trailer. It's a strong product that certainly lives up to its name. Moving on, we've already seen a product that can help you out of a jam. But what if you could prevent getting stuck in the first place? If you're planning on driving through heavy snow, do yourself a favor by investing in the Reflex Edge from Koenig. This revolutionary, easy-to-fit snow chain has been developed specifically for cars with restricted wheelhouse clearance. It's incredibly simple to apply to the wheels of your car. Once it's clicked into place, your tires will instantly gain the extra traction they need. And when you no longer have use for them, removing the chains is just as easy as putting them on. Mind you, if you're going to be traveling through thick layers of snow, I recommend having this next product in your car just in case. The Stay-Hold Compact Safety Shovel has a multitude of uses and could end up being your best friend on a cold day. It's been expertly designed to perform a number of tasks, like freeing your car's windows from ice and snow. You can grip it with one hand or two, and aside from being an essential piece of winter gear, it looks like it's a lot of fun and very satisfying to use. Made from a super tough, high-impact thermoplastic, the Stay-Hold shovel can withstand heavy use and is even capable of being driven over by your car. Its compact, lightweight, and dependable form make it ideal as a survival shovel that can be used in skiing, backcountry, snowmobile, or avalanche situations, enabling you to handle the extreme. Making sure you don't fall victim to the elements is one thing, but what about if you're transporting a load of goods in the back of your pickup? Thankfully, Tiger has them covered too, with its tri-fold truck bed cover. The soft tonneau cover comes completely assembled for a quick and easy installation, requiring no additional tools to set up. It folds easily for speedy access to the truck bed and provides crucial protection for your cargo with a customized look. The cover mounts on top of the truck bed rails and clamps immovably into place. Once fitted, the sleek design not only protects your stuff, it also improves your vehicle's aerodynamics, providing an average savings of up to 12% on gas. It takes just minutes to assemble, so you can start reaping those sweet, sweet rewards in no time. Last but not least, everyone deserves their own independence, and the Bruno Pickup Mobility Scooter Lift is an invention that allows wheelchair users to get from A to B without a hitch. At the press of a button, the Bruno Stowaway Transfer Seat emerges from a weather-protected drawer and raises automatically to your desired height. Once on the transfer seat, you can place the safety bar and use another remote control to activate the lift located in the truck bed for your wheelchair. Then simply connect the docking clip to your mobility device, and with another button push, the rear mechanism will gently lift and rotate your wheelchair before placing it in the truck bed. Now you can continue to make your way into the driver's seat, retracting the transfer seat back into its original position once you no longer need it. Bruno also makes a curbsider lifting machine that can load mobility devices into a truck bed. In a similar fashion, you simply connect the loader to your mobility scooter or wheelchair, press a button, and let the robot handle the rest. If you need all of your pickup space, a third option is Bruno's hitch-mounted Outsider, which carries your mobility device behind your truck rather than in it. All of these systems are fantastic and give people living with disabilities the gift of freedom. Which of these next-generation car inventions impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for more interesting and creative content. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.